The 4th annual UCSF Digital Health Awards seeks to find the most impactful and disruptive digital health companies. Out of the 1,000 plus submissions, only a select few have become quarter-finalists.
Introducing the Biometrics Data Platform by VivaLink. Consisting of medical-grade wearables, edge-to-cloud networking, and data services, all designed to accelerate the implementation of healthcare applications, including virtual clinical trials, ambulatory cardiac monitoring, and remote patient care. The Biometrics Data Platform enables patient-generated real-world data collection and analysis for diagnostics, care delivery, and research-based applications. And with edge-to-cloud data integrity that reliably handles network disruptions, even in remote settings, all of that data is automatically synchronized from the sensor to the cloud for data analysis and central management. The Biometrics Data Platform is device agnostic and is also optimized with VivaLink's medical-grade wearables, which are reusable and patient self-serviceable. Most importantly, they capture continuous and episodic data with options for live data streaming or recording. VivaLink works with more than 100 customers and partners in 30 countries around the world, including world-class organizations such as AstraZeneca, Pfizer, MedPace, LabCorp, UCSF, and more. VivaLink, the digital link to life.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
Hello, this is John Lee, founder and CEO of VivaLink. VivaLink has developed a unique remote patient monitoring platform called the Biometric Data Platform, which is designed to accelerate the implementation of virtual healthcare. From this platform, our customers can easily access the data from a full suite of high-quality wearable devices and insights from FDA-cleared algorithms. The data platform includes high-quality wearable sensors made by VivaLink and other partners. Our multi-vital patch is a medical device that is highly regarded in the industry. Our expertise in sensor data processing enabled us to easily understand and integrate other sensors onto our platform. We have also worked with many algorithm companies to incorporate their algorithms onto the platform. One of our leading customers told us that they have evaluated over 30 companies, and VivaLink has the most capable system because our data platform is based on a deep understanding of sensor data processing and is sensor agnostic and algorithm agnostic. Since its launch in early 2020, this platform is now used by customers in over 40 countries, including pharmaceutical companies, hospital at home, cardiac rehab, and software as medical device companies. We are very excited that the early deployment of such platform can already make a big impact across the globe.
Hi, I'm Zach Henderson, Chief Commercial Officer at Gluco, the digital health platform helping people with chronic conditions better connect and engage with their healthcare teams. Gluco is also the world's largest connected care platform for diabetes and is used by more than 8,000 hospitals, medical clinics, and health systems worldwide. More importantly, Gluco helps patients, physicians, and care teams work better together to manage diabetes and improve patient outcomes. While standard diabetes care allows only 2 to 4 doctor visits per year, Gluco's remote patient monitoring app provides ongoing connectivity between patients and care teams through the Gluco mobile app, which patients use to securely sync their diabetes data to the Gluco platform from both diabetes devices and health and fitness devices. This provides care teams with 24/7 visibility into a person's diabetes progress, including in between office visits, so that they can provide coaching and assistance when it's needed to keep the patient on track. That's difficult with office visits alone. What differentiates Gluco? Our competitors provide apps to capture diabetes data, but then steer people towards outside coaches or leave them to manage all by themselves. These solutions provide no connectivity back to the key physician directing their care. Then at medical appointments, the physician has no visibility into those disconnected coaching interactions. Gluco, however, is dedicated to enhancing, not sidestepping, that all-important therapeutic alliance between the patient and the physician, which we know leads to real improved health outcomes. That's the real superpower of Gluco and why we believe we should win: results. In real-world studies, following hundreds of people with diabetes, Gluco has demonstrated two things. First, patients being followed by providers using our remote patient monitoring experienced immediate and sustained reductions of approximately 12 percentage points in average decreased blood glucose levels and 42% decrease in the proportion of glucose readings that were high. Conversely, another study found when patients dropped out of remote patient monitoring, glucose control began deteriorating immediately, driving home once more the value of the doctor-patient connectivity that Gluco provides.
Memora Health helps the healthcare ecosystem realize next-generation care delivery. Specializing in the digitization and automation of complex care workflows, Memora delivers AI-backed and clinically validated care programs via proactive and dynamic two-way text messages, reducing care team burden and improving patient engagement and outcomes. Memora Health provides patients with automated and responsive health education, medication reminders and adherence tracking, and symptom monitoring through proactive check-ins, remote patient monitoring, and patient-reported outcomes. And when a patient has concerns about their symptoms, we provide clinical guidance and intelligently triage for the care team when necessary. Memora integrates into your existing workflows and supercharges your patient management with actionable insights for care teams. Memora evaluates our solution by race, ethnicity, age, and income, and demonstrates the ability to increase access to innovation for traditionally underserved patient populations.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
Hello, I'm Naomi Leventhal, and I am VP of Strategy for Memora Health. Delighted to tell you more about us today. We support healthcare organizations to extend care beyond the four walls of the clinic, and we do that with artificial intelligence that digitizes and automates care workflows. Our platform supercharges care teams by intelligently triaging patient-reported concerns and provides proactive, two-way conversational communication to patients along their care journeys. So why do we think that we should win this category? I'll give you 5 reasons. First, our AI experience. Others in the market have really only added AI capabilities later on in their product history. We started with and continue to build on robust AI algorithms that surface the most critical concerns to care teams. Second, we are integrated with EHRs and other platforms so that we do not disrupt the course of patient care. You'll find us on the Epic App Orchard, the Athena Health Marketplace, and we're also available through Zelf. Third, we can adapt to a wide range of provider needs, from more simple forms of patient support to helping manage complex care like in oncology use cases. Fourth, Memora's full clinical spectrum coverage is unparalleled. There's no other solutions in the market today that are used across as many clinical service lines and use cases as Memora is. Lastly, we are a text-first experience. We don't require patients to use an app or a patient portal. That makes us really easily to be accessed and simple to use. We're committed to making access to healthcare much more equitable in this way. So what's our superpower? We take care teams from super stressed to superhuman. With Memora Health, healthcare organizations don't have to choose between an engagement tool for this or a workflow improvement tool for that. Our solution uniquely delivers on both, and we make care teams superhuman, and we help patients feel cared for. Thanks so much.
We are Huma, a global digital health platform that asks the right questions and helps make sense of the answers. We connect health to life. With real-world data from remote patient monitoring that enables the delivery of digital-first research and care. Huma's regulated medical device platform powers hybrid and decentralized clinical trials, virtual care at home, and companion apps. empowering us all to live longer, fuller lives. Who are you? And what do you care about? Connect with us and join the conversation.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
So Huma is a health tech organisation, and we use people's smartphones to give them hospital care, monitor their health, and enable them to participate in clinical research, all done remotely. So Huma's technology shares health information between patients and clinicians. It includes a patient app and a clinician dashboard. The Huma app, as used by a patient, allows patients to submit and report things like blood pressure, heart rate, as well as things like symptoms and answers to clinical questions. Clinical teams can then review that information through the Huma dashboard, which flags automatically patients that may be deteriorating or warrant further attention.
The main challenges were COVID had hit the UK and we were unable to see our patients face to face. My nursing team had been redeployed to wards to cover COVID patients, so we were really struggling to see our patients face to face. So this app was able to facilitate us virtually monitoring our patients from their own home. So the footfall was less to our hospital, patients didn't have the fear of catching COVID coming to see us, so it was a real game changer through the COVID period.
So my mum is 65 years old and unfortunately earlier this year she was diagnosed with heart failure. But fortunately she's been able to use this new app. The impact of having heart failure alone is huge on your quality of life, your symptoms and everything. Actually using the app has meant that my mum has had access to a heart failure specialist almost on a daily basis. The fact that people can get to where they need to be in their treatment plan a lot quicker and don't have to go back and forth to hospital, particularly in a pandemic, which we're trying to avoid, it's a win-win situation.
Why am I loved? Sending out signals from me, sending out signals, sending out signals to you, sending out signals.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
Knox's superpowers are easily discovered, but not easily copied. They are anchored in the core values of our company, the culture that we have managed to cultivate, and the deep need of all of our team members to help people sleep better and wake up to a brighter world. To pinpoint those superpowers, they are our ability to create a vision for sleep and sleep diagnostics, how it should be in the future. And second, our ability to execute and push forward to that vision with new products that customers love. Knox has always taken great care of being different. Being an Icelandic company, this may be rooted in our historic culture. Iceland was built by Vikings who took descent to the ruling monarchy in Scandinavia 1,000 years ago. They left for Iceland to build a different society. Not necessarily better or worse, just different. Our differentiation can be summarized in the following ways. We are very people-centric in all we do. We design products for people and patients that need to use them. So we differentiate on patient comfort and ease of use. Second, we do not sacrifice accuracy for simplicity. Precision medicine is very important in our field with Knox. You get our difference from simpler products, but with precision accuracy. Why Knox should win a Digital Health Award sits with our latest product, the latest feat in our efforts to help more people towards better sleep. Everyone sleeps. For those that struggle with healthy sleep, they really struggle with finding their way forward. The Knox A1S is a solution to that. With our people-centric product vision, some cutting-edge engineering efforts, and an innate ability to deliver products that people love to use, Knox has really delivered a product that can impact millions of people and really help make the world a better place. This product allows medical professionals to see the way forward for the patients and guide them towards better sleep.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
Nanoware is a nanotechnology-enabled digital health monitoring or hospital-at-home platform. Utilizing our proprietary invention of what we call cloth-based nanosensor technology, our nanosensors and advanced materials can pick up 85 different clinical-grade biomarkers from basic skin contact. We replace 5 tools all at once. And because we're replacing it all at once, you are looking at continuous and trending data across the systems. Listening to your heart, checking your blood pressure, electrocardiographs, lungs, and hemodynamics. So imagine when we have 1,000 patients of a certain patient population in, say, heart failure, or 10,000 patients with occult hypertension, or another 10,000 patients with sleep apnea or sleep disorders, or surgical recovery issues. At some point, our AI is going to be able to be so accurate and predictable that it will alert of impending risk before symptoms are even realized by the patient and or the provider. And that's going to be very, very valuable data to the payer community as a device, software as a service, and ultimately population health management play that our digital platform enables.
VitalSight by Omron puts the power of home blood pressure monitoring into the patient's hands. Eligible patients can be easily enrolled in minutes via the electronic medical record system at zero cost to the patient or doctor, and it's reimbursed by Medicare. Patients receive a kit at home that may include a digital blood pressure monitor with cuff, weight scale, digital medication tracker, and data hub. The plug-and-play system arrives with all components ready to use and linked to the physician's EMR system. Patients measure their weight, then their blood pressure, and take their medication as ordered. Data is sent to the doctor's EMR in real time. If all's well, it's stored for reference. If there's a health concern, the physician's office is alerted. VitalSight is securely encrypted, meets HIPAA standards, and is compatible with Epic and other leading systems. Omron provides complete patient technical support, and we even help the clinic manage billing, from submission to reimbursement. Physicians get simplified patient management while staying connected to the patient at home. Patients get peace of mind and personalized care, ultimately helping to improve health outcomes.
This is the Ascenda Wave. Kat Murgis describes it as active comfort management technology. She's a patient experience associate.
The technology is comprised of a tablet, a Samsung tablet, and a headband that monitors and analyzes the patient's brainwaves, and it selects content based off of that to kind of help the patient feel a little bit more comfortable and relaxed during their stay with us.
The main purpose is to curb the need for narcotics.
The less medication you can use for the patient's a good thing.
Brad Young used the Send-A-Wave here right after his back surgery. He admits he wasn't so sure it would work.
I gotta say, I was a little bit skeptical. Somebody comes walking in with a headband and a tablet, and I'm an adopter of technology, but it was just something that I wasn't expecting.
He says it did end up helping. Brad's surgery was invasive, so he still needed some medication, but this took his mind away from the pain.
It was a way to distract me from what was going on in my body.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
What is a Send-A-Wave superpower? It's our ability to quantify and benchmark objective pain data. And that's critical because pain is one of the primary drivers of healthcare costs. So how does a Send-A-Wave differentiate its solutions? Well, we have 3 solutions. We have a digital opioid alternative, a non-pharma solution, and we're the only company that can provide real-time pain data. We have a remote monitoring solution, and we can monitor pain either a one-time reading or over a 12-hour period. And we have the largest global database on pain. We have 9 individual databases with really important data on women and pain, oncology and pain, and MSK and pain. So why should a Send-A-Wave win? Objective pain data is critical. Our market stakeholders have no insight into or data on one of their primary drivers of cost. In addition, if we are serious about health equity, we can no longer tolerate pain bias, and we need objective technology to validate patient pain so their pain is believed.
What if patients suffering from acute and chronic conditions could spend less time in the hospital and more time feeling confident and cared for in the comfort of their own home? What if networks, clinicians, and payers could turn fewer readmissions into a higher level of care for all? Bioformis is a fast-growing global leader in care-at-home solutions, transforming patient health through personalized, predictive care. Enabled by artificial intelligence, Bioformis' care-at-home platform provides actionable insights to help clinicians deliver the right care to the right patient at the right time.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
Hello, I'm Kuldeep Singh, founder and CEO of Bioformis. When I founded Bioformis 7 years ago, it was with a vision to predict disease before it happens and deliver the right care to the right patients at the right time. Our Bioformis Care at Home platform enables at-home management of patients across the continuum of care, including acute, post-acute transition care, and complex chronic management, all using a single platform. Our platform enables 4 core features. First, continuous monitoring using wearable biosensors. Second, our library of over 120 digital biomarkers to enable early detection of clinical exacerbation and automated medication management. Third, software tools for patients, their primary caregivers, and virtual clinical care teams with bidirectional integration into the EHRs. And finally, an ability to coordinate care using the platform, which includes logistics, asset management, in-home care delivery, and revenue cycle management. Bioformis fills gaps in care, and our data supports this. We have shown 70% reduction in 30 days readmission, 38% reduction in overall cost of care, and an ability to predict clinical exacerbation with 93% accuracy as compared to 64% using standard early warning scores. We work with over 30 large health systems in the country and have managed over 45,000 patients to date in 2022. We also work with rural hospitals such as Appalachian Regional and Blessing that are improving access to care in areas that need the most. Bioformis Care at Home offers more than remote patient monitoring. Our solution elevates the care delivery model to a true remote patient management. Thank you.
In their own words, why they should win.
Why in the world would you want to sleep in a hospital bed than your own bed? The movement to more patient care at home has the chance to sort of revolutionize the care that we deliver. With the current health devices, I can monitor you from home and get data points outside of my normal 2 or 3 times a year. We can adjust treatment. We can check in on you in different ways that we've not been able to before. We know you do better at home. Changing of care models, lower costs, and then patient satisfaction, that's going to allow us to do more and more things from home in a safe, high quality, effective way. Why would we not be excited about that?
In their own words, why they should win.
Do you have asthma or COPD? I do. But Propeller makes it easier than ever to manage my asthma, giving me the confidence to live the life I want to live. Oh, how did I get it? Super easy. It all started when I found Propeller online. I enrolled in a few simple steps, I downloaded the free app, and like that, my Propeller kit was shipped to my door. All I had to do was take out the sensors, clip them to my inhalers, and sync my sensors to the app. Then over the next few days, I just used my inhalers like normal. Propeller sent me reminders about when to take my medication. Plus, it tracked my rescue inhaler and sent me reports on when, where, and why I was getting symptoms. Oh wow, really? Not in my house. Propeller even showed me my own personal asthma forecast for the day, putting me in total control. Looks like somebody's going to the park. So yeah, I have asthma. But thanks to Propeller, I'm managing it like never before. Propeller Health. Live the life you want to live.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
Hi, my name is Susan Monticelli, and I'm the General Manager of Propeller Health, a precision digital health company that uplifts the lives of our patients and drives value to all our stakeholders. We leverage digitally connected therapeutics through an app and no app experience, surrounding the patient with coaching and support to keep them motivated in making positive behavior changes that will impact their lives. What's unique about our model is our ability to simultaneously deliver value to all our stakeholders. This is inclusive starting with the patient, the provider, the health systems, payers, life sciences, and pharmas, and PBMs. It's this unique ability to align the value that allows our solution to be truly transformative. The markets have been talking widely about the shift in value-based care for a long time, but we've not seen it widely adopted yet. With our solution, we can meet our clients where they're at, whether it's fee-for-service claims, direct pay, or value-based models. Our 10 years in clinical and commercial experience allows us to feel confident that we can drive this impact. But most importantly, none of this works without taking care of the patient first. Propeller, through creating unique signals from our sensors, supports the patient's adherence to medication plans by creating insights that enable the patient, the caregivers, and physicians to make better decisions. Physicians can access the information through our physician portal or through connected EHRs like Cerner and Epic. This takes the burden off the physicians and allows for better care for the patients. We know all of this works. We've been delivering positive outcomes for patients and health systems, as well as payers and pharmas, for over 10 years. And most importantly, we've been able to bring everyone together to better serve a broad, often difficult to engage patient population, democratizing access to patient care for all we serve. We're a catalyst for transforming healthcare and enabling our patients to live their best lives.
Approximately 1% of the world suffers from epilepsy. Gold standard epilepsy diagnostics traditionally involved a week-long study confined to a hospital bed. Our challenge was transforming this into a comfortable, home-based test, untethered and free. Introducing SeerSense, a revolutionary wireless brain and heart monitoring wearable that takes gold standard epilepsy diagnostics out of the hospital and into the home. SeerSense's flexible body sits comfortably across the shoulders and continuously monitors brain and heart activity that is wirelessly transmitted to our GDPR-compliant cloud-based platform. SeerSense can easily be self-connected and disconnected, making showering possible for the first time. And an ultra-low power design means the patient never needs to change batteries. Once the study is complete, our cloud-based software lets our scientists review high-resolution EEG, ECG video recordings to uncover the nature of the patient's events, delivers a step change in patient comfort and freedom, while empowering doctors with the data they need to make a conclusive diagnosis.
Hear in their own words why they should win.
Hi there, I'm Dean Freestone. I'm the CEO and co-founder of SEER. Now, SEER is a medical technology company that's focused on helping people with epilepsy. We do so by translating clinical monitoring from a hospital environment to the home environment, which makes healthcare more open, accessible, and equitable. Prior to starting SEER, I was working in R&D with devices with epilepsy that could continuously record from the human brain. We quickly realized that in order to deal with the vast amounts of data that these devices would generate, we needed to think differently. We needed to think about mobile first, cloud first, and AI first. And that's the reason why we started SEER. So over the last 5 years, we've created a wonderful product called SEER Home. Now, SEER Home is a fully vertically integrated system. We manufacture our own devices in our own manufacturing facility. We have our own software development team. We create our own AI algorithms, and we deploy this through our own clinical service. And that makes us really special and quite different. By having our own clinical service, we're able to think differently about innovation, not only in the technology, but also in the healthcare system itself. So with each patient we serve, we're able to curate data to be able to create more fuel for the AI engine in the cloud, where our systems become more enhanced and better so we can serve more people. Now, to date, we've done monitoring and provided healthcare for more than 12,000 people. We've built up the largest database of this type that the world has ever seen. We've just recently received FDA clearance, and we're looking to scale our systems out across the US. A lot of people need our help. About 75% of diagnostic cases and first treatments are done by primary care physicians. With our technology, these physicians can now provide neurology-level consultations to get people the answers they need in a timely fashion.
Join us on November 14th for our grand finale at Health in Las Vegas to see the winners crowned.